Point two, first question is fill in the blanks in the following table given that A is the first term, D the common difference, and AN the nth term of the AP. So here A, D, N and AN values are given. So in the first problem, A is given as 7, D is 3, N is 8 and AN we should find. But we know the formula of AN, that is AN equal to A plus N minus 1 D. So we'll substitute all the values. 7, N is 8 minus 1, that is A 8 we should find, and D is 3. So 7 plus 7 into 3, so 7 plus 21, so 28 will come. So here we can write 28 is the answer. A is given minus 18, D is not given, N is 10 and AN is 0. So we'll write the formula of nth term of NAP, that is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1D. AN is given 0, A is minus 18, N is 10, 10 minus 1. D is not given, so we'll write D as it is, minus 18 plus 9D. Okay, so 9D we can write as plus 18. This 18 we can shift here. So D will be 18 by 9, which gives 2. In the third question, A is not given. D is minus 3, N is 18 and AN is minus 5. We'll use the same formula, nth term of NAP, that is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. So minus 5, A is not given, A will write as it is, and then 18, N is 18 minus 1, D is minus 3. So minus 5 equal to A plus 17 into minus 3, that will give minus 51. Okay, so we can write A as minus 5 plus 51. So A will be 46. So in question 4, A is given minus 18.9, D is given 2.5, N is not given here, and AN is given 3.6. Okay, so we'll use the same formula, AN equals to A plus N minus 1D. Substitute all the values here, 3.6, A is minus 18.9, N is not given and D is 2.5. So here what we can do, first we can shift this minus to the left, 18 plus 18.9. Okay, then N minus 1 and 2.5 will remain here. Now we can add this, so we'll get 22.5. Okay, so 20, now N minus 1, this bracket will keep here, and 22.5 divide by 2.5. Okay, so now see, 25 nines are is 225. Okay, one this decimal will go, and 25 nines are we can write 225. So n minus 1 equal to 9 we got. So n will be 9 plus 1, that is 10. For the fifth one, A is 3.5. Here D is 0, N is 105 and AN we should find. Using the same formula, that is AN equals to A plus N minus 1D. Substitute all the values. AN we should find here 3.5. See, N is 105 minus 1 and D is 0. So 0 multiplied by anything will give 0 only, isn't it? So this term will vanish here. So AN will be 3.5. This you can see, since this common difference is 0. Okay, and first term is 3.5. So if you add 0 in first term, you will get 3.5, 3.5, isn't it? That means here each term is 3.5. So whatever term you want to find, a 105th term or 1000 term or 2000 term, all will be same, that is 3.5. In question 2, choose the correct choice in the following and justify. 30th term of the AP is 30th term of the AP we should find, that is A30. A30 we should find, that is N is 30 here. Okay. And see, 10 is the first term. And to find the difference, we can find 7 minus 10. Yes, minus 3 is the difference. Now A30 we should find, so we'll use the formula A30, which will give A plus N is 30 minus 1D. That means A plus 29D we should find. And A is 10, 29, D is minus 3. So plus minus minus, this we can multiply. Okay, 87 will come. So 10 minus 87 will give minus 77. So 30th term is minus 77, which is in option C. So we can write option C is correct. Second part of the question, 11th term of the AP we should find. Means A11. 11th term means A11. Okay. This we should find. That is N is 11 here. This is N value, no? AN. And here if you see A first term, which is minus 3. And to find the difference, you can find minus half minus of minus 3. Okay. Second term minus first term. So minus half plus 3. So cross multiplication you can do here. So answer will be 5 by 2. So D is 5 by 2, A is minus 3, N is 11, and A11 we should find. So A11 formula will use here. That is A plus 11 minus 1D. Okay. That is A plus 10D we should find. So A is what? Minus 3 plus 10. D is 5 by 2. So now two fives are we can cancel. Minus 3 plus 25, which gives 22. So A 11th term of an AP is 22, which is in option B. So we can write yes, option B is correct. Question 3, in the following APs, means all the list of the numbers are APs. Find the missing terms in the box. So this missing term we should find here. Okay. So if you see here, this is A term, A1 is 2. Okay. And this first term we can consider as A also. Okay. Second term is not there. That is missing. So suppose A2 is not there. And A3 is 26. Okay. So since we know A2 minus A1 is the difference, and A3 minus A2 is also the difference, isn't it? Since it is AP, so the difference will be same. Got it? So here A2 is not given. So A2 minus 2 we can write as A3 minus A2. That is 26 minus A2. Okay, so this A2 we can shift here. And this minus 2 we can shift other side. So 2A2 as 28. So A2 will be 14. Since both are same, so we can write A2 minus A1 is A3 minus A2 since difference is same. Okay. So in this step, you can substitute the formula A1 value A1 and A3 value to get the value of A2. Now here first term is missing. Okay. Second term is given and this term is missing, third term is missing, fourth term is given. So we can write here A2 is given as 13 and A4 is given as 3. Okay. So using the formula of A2 is what? A plus D. Using this formula, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1D. So if you substitute 2, A2 is equal to A plus 2 minus 1D, that is A plus D will come. Okay. And here A4, that is A plus 3D, isn't it? Using the same formula is 3. Now A plus D you have as 13 and A plus 3D as 3. So you can find A value from here, 13 minus D, and you can substitute here. Okay. So this you can write as 1 and 2. Now since A is 13 minus D, so from 2 we can write A is 13 minus D. Here I substituted, plus 3D will be same, equal to 3 will be same. So 13, this will give 2D. Why I am doing this method? Because if we know A and D, we can find any term. Okay, so it's better that from the given term you find the A and D, value of A and D, and you can find any other term using values of A and D. So 2D will be 3 minus 13. So D will be minus 10 by 2, that is minus 5. After getting minus 5 D value, we can substitute in equation 1 to get value of A. Any other equation means in 1 also you can put, in 2 also you can put. Okay, so now from 1, suppose A, D is minus 5 equal to 13. So A is 13 plus 5, 18. Now A also we got here. Now since A is the first term that we got already, 18. Okay. And the third term also we should find. So now for the third term, that is A3, A plus 2D will come, but A is 18 and D is minus 5. So 18 minus 10 gives 8. So third term is 8. So in these boxes, first number will be 18 and the third number will be 8. Okay. In question 3, see, 5 is given, that is A. A is 5. Okay, A2 is not given and A3 is not given. This is A4. So A4 is 9 1 by 2. So you can write in, this is in mixed fraction, no? So you can write in proper. So 19 by 2 will come. So now using this information we can find A is given, only we should find D here. So after getting value of D we can find any term. Okay. So we'll write since A4 is 19 by 2, but A4 is what? A plus 3D and A is what? 5. So 5 plus 3D is equal to 19 by 2. So 19 by 2 minus 5. So cross multiplication will give 19 minus 10 by 2. So we can write 9 by 2. So D will be 9 by 3 will come in denominator. So from 3 we can cancel. So D will be 3 by 2. Sorry, 3 by 2. Okay. Now we know D and we know A also. So any other term we can find. So A2 will be what? A plus D, using the formula AN equal to A plus N minus 1D. So if A2 means 2 minus 1, 1D. Okay. So A is 5, D is 3 by 2. So 10 plus 3 by 2, that is 13 by 2. So in the second box 13 by 2 will come. Then we need to find A3 also. A3 formula is A plus 2D, where A is 5, 2, D is 3 by 2. 2, 2 cancel. 5 plus 3 gives 8. So A3 is 8. Question number 4, minus 4 is given, then 4 empty boxes are given, and then 6. Okay, that is A is given minus 4, A2 we should find, A3, A4, A5, and A6 is given 6. So since A6 is 6, but A6 we know is A plus 5D, A value is also given. So minus 4 plus 5D equal to 6. 5D will be 6 plus 4, that is 5D is 10, that means D is 2. So now we got D value 2, A value is already given to us. So we can find value of A2, A3, A4 and A5. So A2 will be A plus D, which gives minus 4 plus 2, that is minus 2. A3 will be A plus 2D, which is minus 4, 2 into 2. So minus 4 plus 4 gives 0. A4 will be A plus 3D, that is minus 4 plus 3 times 2, which will be minus 4 plus 6, which gives positive 2. Then A5 will be A plus 4D, that is minus 4 plus 4 times 2, minus 4 plus 8, which gives 4. So these are the term A2, A3, A4 and A5. In these boxes minus 2 will come, 0, 2 and 4. In question number 5, first term is not given, then second term is given, then 3 empty boxes, then minus 22. So here A is not given, A2 is 38, A3 is not given, A4, A5 and this is A6. So that means A2 is given 38 and A6 is given minus 22. So for A2 we can write the formula A plus D is 38, and for A6 we can write A plus 5D is equal to minus 22. So this we can write as equation 1, this we can write as equation 2. Now a value of A from equation 1 we can find and we can substitute in equation 2. So A is here A is 38 minus D plus 5D we should copy as it is minus 22. So 38, 5 minus 1 will be 4D minus 22. So 4D is minus 22 minus 38, which will give minus 60. So D is minus 60 by 4, that means minus 15. Now this minus 15 value will substitute here or in equation 1, both are same only. This expression is derived from equation 1. So now put D equal to minus 15 in equation 1. We'll get A equals to 38 minus D is minus 15. Okay. So this will give 38 plus 15. So 53 will come. That means in first box 53 will come. Now to find A3, A4 and A5 we can use the formula. A3 is A plus 2D. So 53 plus 2 times minus 15, that is 53 minus 30, that is 23. So A3 is 23. To find A4 we can substitute the formula. A4 will be A plus 3D. So 53 plus 3 into minus 15, that is 45. So 8 will come. Okay. So A4 is 8. Now to find A5 we use the formula A plus 4D. A is 53. 4 times minus 15 gives 53 minus 60. Okay. So answer will be minus 7. So here minus 7 will come. A5.